Should you learn data analytics or data science on Coursera? If you're trying to decide between these two career paths, this video will help you choose the right one based on your goals and experience. Before we get started, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. Let's start with data analytics. Data analysts collect, clean, and visualize data to help businesses make better decisions. They work with tools like Excel, SQL, Tableau, and Python. If you enjoy finding trends, creating dashboards, and solving business problems, data analytics is a great place to start. Data science goes a step further. Data scientists use programming, statistics, and machine learning to build predictive models and solve more complex problems. Along with Python and SQL, you'll learn algorithms, statistical analysis, and machine learning techniques. It usually requires stronger technical and mathematical skills. For beginners, I recommend starting with the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. It's one of the best entry-level programs on Coursera and teaches practical job-ready skills using spreadsheets, SQL, Tableau, and Python. If your goal is to become a data scientist, the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate is an excellent choice. It covers Python, SQL, data visualization, machine learning, and hands-on portfolio projects. As your skills grow, you can continue with more advanced programs like the Google Advanced Data Analytics Professional Certificate or Advanced Statistics courses. So, which should you choose? If you want the fastest path into a data career, start with data analytics. If you're interested in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and predictive modeling, data science is the better long-term path. Many professionals actually begin in data analytics before moving into data science later. The good news is that Coursera makes it easy to learn both. With Coursera Plus, you get access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and top universities. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, reducing the price from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're planning to build multiple skills and earn several certificates, it's a much better value than buying courses individually. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends. If you found this comparison helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.